Learn French easily. Present tense of AIMER. Smart learning foreign language. Bonjour mes amis. Hello my friends. Welcome back to your favorite channel, Smart Learning Foreign Language. Today, we are going to learn how to use one of the most common and useful French verbs, AIMER, which means to like or to love. This is a very basic and important verb, especially in the present tense, or l'indicatif présent in French. AIMER means to like or to love in French. You can use it to express your feelings about people, things, activities, and more. For example, j'aime le chocolat. I like chocolate. Elle aime son chien. She loves her dog. Isn't that simple? Let's go ahead and learn how to conjugate it. Here's how you conjugate AIMER in the present tense. Repeat after me. Je aime, j'aime, I like, I love. Tu aimes, you like, you love, informal. Il, elle aime, he, she likes, loves. Nous aimons, we like, we love. Vous aimez, you like, you love, formal or plural. Ils, elles aiment, they like, they love. Note, when we say j'aime, we drop the E in je because aimer starts with a vowel. Let's say these again slowly, with English meaning. J'aime les livres. I like books. Tu aimes la musique? Do you like music? Il aime jouer au football. He likes to play football. Nous aimons apprendre le français. We love learning French. Vous aimez les films français? Do you like French movies? Elles aiment danser. They like dancing. Repeat these with me and try saying your own sentences too. Here are some real-life examples. Girl. J'aime les maths et le français. I like math and French. Woman. Nous aimons cuisiner ensemble. We love cooking together. Man. J'aime mon travail. I love my job. Try making your own sentences using AIMER and comment them below. I'll be happy to check them. If you found this lesson easy and helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Smart Learning Foreign Language, like and share this video with your friends, and click the bell icon to stay updated with new French lessons every week. Also, don't forget to check the video description for amazing French e-courses, How to Communicate in French, a complete self-guidance ebook for all levels. Bonjour Basics, specially designed e-guide for school students with easy solutions and activities. Contact details are also provided in the description. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé cette leçon. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep loving French. À bientôt. See you soon.